Conda is not recognized as internal or external command. I installed Anaconda 3.4.4.0, 32-bit, on my Windows 7 professional machine and imported NumPy and Pandas on Jupyter Notebook, so I assumed Python was installed correctly. But when I type Conda list and Conda version in command prompt, it says Conda is not recognized as internal or external command. I have set environment variable for Anaconda 3, variable name column path, variable value column C column /users /deponwita.neogi /anaconda 3. How do I make it work?
Although you were offered a good solution by others, I think it is helpful to point out what is really happening. As per the Anaconda 4.4 changelog, this URL. On Windows, the path environment variable is no longer changed by default, as this can cause trouble with other software. The recommended approach is to instead use Anaconda Navigator or the Anaconda command prompt, located in the Start menu under Anaconda, when you wish to use Anaconda software. Note: Recent Win 10 does not assume you have privileges to install or update. If the command fails, right-click on the Anaconda command prompt, choose More, chose Run as Administrator. This is a change from previous installations. It is suggested to use Navigator or the Anaconda prompt, although you can always add it to your path as well. During the install, the box to add Anaconda to the path is now unchecked, but you can select it.
I was faced with the same issue in Windows 10, updating the environment variable following steps. It's working fine. I know it is a lengthy answer for the simple environment setups. I thought it's maybe useful for the new Windows 10 users. 1. Open Anaconda prompt. Two. Check Conda installed location. Three. Open Advanced System Settings. Four. Click on Environment Variables. Five. Edit path. Six. Add new path. Seven. Open command prompt and check versions. 8. After 7th step, type Conda, install Anaconda Navigator in CMD, then press Y.
I found the solution. Variable value should be C:\users /deponwita.neogi anaconda 3 /scripts.
When you install Anaconda on Windows now, it doesn't automatically add Python or Conda to your path. While during the installation process you can check this box, you can also add Python and/or Python to your path manually, as you can see below the image. If you don't know where your Conda and/or Python is, you type the following commands into your Anaconda prompt. Next, you can add Python and Conda to your path by using the such command in your command prompt. Replace c:\users\malarnik\anaconda2 with the results you got when running where Python and where Conda. Next, close the command prompt and open a new one. Congrats, you can now use Conda and Python. Source: this URL.
If you want to continue, please come to the subscribe button.